Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change camera for iPhone 12. The first thing you have to do, you have to make sure you have all your screwdrivers. Okay, these two. Okay, then you open the two screw down here. Okay, then you try to open it. You can push it up a bit slow, don't force it. Then after you open a bit, then you can use this one now to open it. Don't push the screwdriver too much inside the pen set, just make it halfway like this. Okay, then you can remove this one now. Then you try to open it right round. The connector is this side, the same side. Don't push the pen set inside that much, just make it halfway like this so you don't spoil the connector. Try to open it right round. Don't push inside too much, just hold it a bit like this. Make sure you don't break the screen, you just do it slowly. Okay, don't force to push it. Okay. So you try to slide it down. Don't force it, you just do it slowly like this. Because the connector is this side. Okay, you open it from this way, don't force to open it this way, this side. Okay, after you open it, now you need to use this screwdriver. Okay, you remove this panel first on top of the camera. This one no need to take out the LCD, you can still change the camera without taking out the LCD. Just lose this panel, the first panel, this one. Okay, and lose the second panel where the camera connector is. Take out this other panel. Okay, if you like, you can disconnect the battery. If you know it's your first time, you don't know how to fix the camera connector easy, you can take out the battery so it will be more easier for you, so you don't spoil anything inside the phone. Disconnect the battery. Now you disconnect this, the camera. Now you disconnect the connector, these ones. Don't put the pencil too much inside, you just disconnect it easily. I can use my nails, but I want to use this one so you can see what to do. Just lace this one up a bit like this. Then you take out the other connector here. Don't press too much inside, just lace it up. Okay, now you can take out the camera, remove the camera. Then now you need to replace the new camera, this one. Okay, you need to fix the first connector, the one down. It's two connectors. Then you fix the second one. Okay, then you fix the one for the connector side. You fix the panel first, this first one for the connector side. There's the screw. Okay, then you fix the second one for this other connector here. For this on top of the camera, you fix this panel. You place all the screw. Then now you can connect the battery and put the battery cover panel. Make sure you cover it also. Okay, then now you can close it. Slide it from the top first. You close the back. Okay, then you can on the phone. You try to test before you put the two screws. Okay. There's the camera. Okay, it's good. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.